Students and other viewers, it's wonderful to have had you follow up with all of my general chemistries up to this point. Thank you so much. Now, as it turns out, at this point, you, my students who've gone through all of General Chemistry 1 and 2, have now learned all of the basic principles that you need in order to meet the objectives of this course. Congratulations! So essentially, you're done. So at this point, you might ask, so what are we going to do now? Well, as it turns out, we're going to just sit around and do nothing. No, I'm totally kidding. What we're actually going to do is enter a realm that I call Special Topics Lectures. So what in the world are those? Well, please let me explain. So these Special Topics Lectures are essentially a systematic review of all of the material that we've covered in General Chemistry for both semesters 1 and 2. There are two reasons why I do these Special Topics Review Lectures. The first is because I want to prepare you for the final for this class, which is a standardized American Chemical Society, or ACS, normalized exam. The beauty of that final is that I will provide you with all of the resources, teaching, and conceptual review that you will need in order to do well on that exam if you study hard. And when we're all done, you'll be able to compare your results with scores from across the nation. Isn't that great? The second reason that I'm doing this is because I believe that doing a systematic review will also help prepare any of you who are planning to go on to take standardized exams for postgraduate school, such as medical school or dental school or graduate school exams or anything else like that. So reviewing this material will help you to be better prepared for those exams as well. Additionally, unless something I'm not planning occurs, all of these videos will be accessible here on YouTube forever and ever, so you should be able to go back anytime you want and review them. Welcome, my dear students, to Special Topics Lectures. Now, to finish this video, what I want you to do is to watch my earlier video in which I provide my own personal advice on how to prepare for exams, because this advice is going to be absolutely crucial for our upcoming exams and especially the final. I'll have a link floating over my head somewhere as well as in the description below to that video. Please make sure that you watch it and follow my counsel. I promise that if you do, you will do very well. Thanks again for joining me on this wonderful journey into the world of general chemistry. Please have a wonderful rest of your day.